welcome to my channel. My name is Onyinye, and if today is the first day you are seeing me, you are highly welcome. Okay, today there's something that many of us we are not getting into it, or maybe we are not really ready to face it. The topic of today is how you can get NHS visa sponsorship. That's there are many people here, they are confused. They have done their degree, they have gotten this 2 years work, post-study work visa or permit, and there's laws are changing every day. And they said, I read something in a UKIV. It said that if you finish your studies, you go home. But then, my dear, you are already in the country. I will tell you what you need to do. You need to look into NHS because they have slashed their minimum payment for the jobs. The salary, they have slashed the salaries for people that work in NHS. So how do you get visa sponsorship through NHS? It's so easy and so simple, but then it requires you to be dedicated to it, to work hard, and you will get it, you will survive. Okay? The NHS means National Health Service. That is it. That is United Kingdom National Health Service. You must first of all secure eligible job offer from a Home Office approved UK healthcare sector employer. Forget about it. NHS is government. Is government, health care sector. So that one, you have jumped that one. So the next one is the employer will then provide you the certification of sponsorship, what we call COS, then which is the most crucial document for your visa application. The visa route is called Health and Care Worker Visa, a subcategory of Skilled Worker Visa. My dear, pay attention to the following. This is where it gets interesting. The step one, finding eligible job. Your eligibility, might not be different than people that they are still employing back home. But look at where you need to pay attention. So your eligibility depends on the job you are offered. But I'm telling you this, since it depends on the job you offered. Last year, I have told people that are here, they have gotten their visa sponsor, post-study work. I've told them to go and retrain in some high in-demand courses, like dental training or pharmacy technician. There are many things that they can do to, get up, from where they are. And many people listening to me, and for you guys that are still watching, maybe the information didn't get to you, listen to this first step. Find an eligible job. Number one of that, step one, number one of it is search for vacancies. There are many NHS trusts all over United Kingdom, but they have like one umbrella. That's where you look for these jobs. Okay, so look for a job in the National Official NHS Job website or the website of individual NHS trusts. There are two things here. Individual NHS trusts, they have their different websites. Then under the country, they have one website. So you know where you live, ask people around you, because this is the mistake most of you make. Listen to this place carefully. Ask anybody around you, what is the name of the NHS trust in your local area? They will now tell you that's where you need to pay attention more. Focus there 70%. Then you go to the national one and you focus. Then the number two is check the occupation list. Your job must be on the list of eligible occupations published by the UK government. Check the occupation list. Look at it in the screen. Guys, check it. Okay? These roles include qualified doctors, nurses, and many other health and care professionals. Nurses, you are still welcome. Pharmacy technician, you are here. Doctors, you are here. Radiographers, you are here. And many, many others. Then meet professional registration requirement. Depending on your role, you may need to register with a UK professional body, such as the Nursing and Midwifery Council, NMC, or the General Medical Council, which is GMC, before starting work. Let's leave this one. It doesn't concern you if you are not a medical doctor or a nurse. So secure a job offer. Apply for this job, follow it up, go to interview, and by God's grace, you will be successful and you will get an offer letter. Then step 2, receive your certification of sponsorship, and not a physical document. The COS is an electronic record with a unique reference number. Yes, it has a unique reference number. That number is your lifeline. Let us move on. Then under this step number two, your employer role. Your employer is responsible for checking that you meet the visa eligibility criteria and assigning the COS to you through the Home Office sponsorship management system. Then the number 3 of step 2, application window. You must apply for your visa within 3 months of the COS being assigned to you. My dear, be checking the screen because I'm giving you the jobs that you can apply for wherever you are from the screen of this video. Then step 3, preparation for your visa application, and the stress of it because it's not there are stress. You have getting your sorry guys, you have getting your COS number. You have getting the contract letter from NHS Trust that gave you the job. Then the next thing is prepare your visa application. Gather all necessary documents and ensure you meet the requirements before you apply. Evidence of English language skills. You must prove your knowledge of English. This is typically done through an approved English language test, unless you are from designated English-speaking countries. Financial requirements. Unless your employer certifies your maintenance on the COS, you must show you have at least 1,270 in personal savings. Let me repeat it again. 1,270 pounds. This is equivalent to 2.5 million or 3 million. The funds must have been in your account for at least 28 consecutive days before you apply. Okay, so if you have money, I want you to understand something. That's why I said be paying attention on the screen in this video. The thing here is this. Go and put the statement of account that you want to use. Go and put all your money there. If you're planning location, go and start building that bank account that you will use. Okay? Then 3 other documents, depending on your role and circumstances, you may also need to provide a valid passport, evidence of your qualifications and professional registration, a criminal record certificate from any country you have lived in the more than 12 months or more over the last 10 years if applicable, tuberculosis test results if you are from a listed country. So let's go to number 4. Number 4 is apply for the health and care worker visa. You can apply online up to 3 months before your start date. Apply online, use the UK government's online application portal. Biometric, you will need to provide your fingerprint and a photograph at a visa application center as part of the process. Then faster decision. This is where you need to pay attention. You can pay an extra fee to get a faster decision on your application. that is UK for you. If you want it quick, there's a room for that. If you want it slow, there's still a room for that. But if you want it quick, you need to pay for it. Key benefits of health and care worker visa. I will tell you why. I normally tell people, if you are in this country, you have gotten a work permit, and that 2 years, just call it 2 months in your brain. What you need to do is to review the work, the job you are doing at the moment. Are they willing to sponsor you? If they are not willing, NHS is willing to do that if you can get a job. So now, what you need to do is to make sure that you have those kind of thoughts, in your mind, solved. If you are in a job and you don't know where it is going, that 2 years is going then it's better you get a skilled certificate in healthcare. Apply for NHS in that. You are still in UK. If you are outside the country, keep on doing what you are doing. Follow this process. It will still get you here. And I wish all of you luck. And probably I will meet you in United Kingdom soon. So this is where I'll be ending this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the button, and let us, take it from there. I wish you luck, and I will see you soon in United Kingdom by special grace of God. Don't forget to leave your notification button on. Bye.